Hallo allemaal, ik heet Cyrus. Welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Het is nummer tutorial 14. And today, we are going to dive into this one. I am excited because 13, beautiful, gorgeous, with the cosmic bloom. 12, with the Venetian, I should know what it's called. Oh my God. But, been loving it so far. Loving it. I do think, in conjunction with other things, with other palettes, this palette is starting to climb the ranks of my likes. And for it to be a warm palette, I'm quite surprised. I'm really starting to like this. Because the depth this Heartache can get into, Heartache tool? Yeah. Beautiful, gorgeous. And now it's like inspiring me to get into more ideas with this palette, but I need to finish this palette focus because I need to focus on some other things. And like I said, I'm also excited to drop the 25 tutorials, Blast from the Past, a Christmas Past with Pat McGrath, Celestial Nirvana, from December 21st to Christmas Day, 25 of December. I am so excited for that also. Yeah, so let me go and prep my curls are really coming in, Jesus. I need to find some curling stuff because she's a mess. Let me prep my eyes. All right, so the eyes are prepped with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. And first and foremost, we are gonna get into this, obviously. But I think for the first, because I did a more devotion, let me dive into Passion for the crease. Ooh, this one definitely. Did I do Passion on the last one? I do not remember. Anyways, Passion is gonna go right into the crease, so we're gonna elongate it. And we're going to elongate it to stick with the DNA of Patrick Tata. This is very warm. This is like a warm orange terra macata. It's gorge. 14. Like I said, now the thing I do like about taking a break from a palette when I'm doing a palette focus and doing another one, which in 2026 I'm gonna be all over the board. But when I come back to this, I get out of the tunnel vision of just consistently looking at this when I do 2 tutorials. When I record 2 tutorials a day, or I do it 3 days back to back, I'm like, I just get so bored of seeing this color story. But it's always nice to take a break, pull something out, pull something else out, and then go back to this, because this is a beautiful palette. This is a very beautiful palette, which I'm loving. And in conjunction with Pat McGrath is even more gorge. It is gorge. But what is that? Passion? Yes. In the crease, look at how that is very warm. You know what this kind of reminds me of? What is it? Bitter Brick from Urban Decay. That orange matte that everybody went crazy for. That was in the Vice palette. I think Vice 2, or was that Vice 3? And they made it a single, which I actually still do have. So sad to admit. And I still have that Vice palette too, which is also sad to admit. So the last 2 we did Crush, but let's do a more, and we are going to put that in the inner right here and fluff it up. Inner, and then fluff it up. Because I think Crush is definitely still going to be the brow bone highlight. Ooh, this is also like such a, it's like a romantic, muted type of plum. Beige plum, I would say. And the color story is gorgeous because it blends so well into Passion. What's that, Passion? I need to make sure. You know, for doing this so many times, I always forget what is what about Passion. Oh, my word. Now with the sparkle, sparkle, y'all. With the lust. We're gonna put that in that outer corner. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is, Because I have a feeling this is what maybe the shimmer shades might feel like from the duos. Oh my word. Oh, this is. Every time I put this on, it's like the first time. Oh, it is so romantic. Fall in love. Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, with this, look at that neon glow. Heartache as the liner, just like the last two. You know, if I get quiet, this is me being genuine. This is. They don't make YouTube channels like. They don't make YouTube tutorials like this at all. Oh my god. Like. This is just. And the fact that it doesn't fully take over the lust, but it just. Oh my god, oh my god. They should do a collaboration. They should do a collaboration. That I would love to see. Oh my god. Alright, well, let me go ahead and do this and blend this obviously into the crease again. Because, I mean, this is a whole new level. And with Crush as the brow highlight. And without further ado, you guys will see the final look in a moment, because this is just getting me wet. 14 tutorials and we did it. We got this far. And the amount of product you actually get in this palette is quite a lot. 1.8 grams, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 1.8 grams worth of product. This, and I think the new mini edit artistry matte palettes are also the same amount, which means that's a lot of product in mattes as well. Very, very smart to do. I saw a little bit of that hanging down. But let me go and do the rest of my face and you guys will see the final look in a moment. Here is the, oh, look at that. It is just so holographic. Look at that shine. Where's the light? Where's the, let me turn this off so we get natural lighting. Oh, y'all. Patrick Ta and Pat McGrath. I just. Tutorial number 14. This is the official final look and the stop of this to palette focus. Ooh. Primer, Milk Cosmetics Luminous Blur Stick as usual. Color correctors under the eye. Dior's Flash Luminizer in 003 and Charlotte Tilbury's Vanish at number 2 medium. Concealer is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in 6.5 suede, 6.6 suede, dang cake. I just can't get over this look, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really digging this. Foundation, Patrick Ta Hydrolux Skin Perfecting Luminous Foundation, I think, 18, golden neutral. I do need to get 15 because this is looking a little deep. Bronzer is the Chiseled from the Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo, and blush is actually She's Wanted, and I just used the powder because I forgot how pigmented this was. But you know what this is giving me vibes of? It's giving me vibes of a tutorial I did from Utopian Dream, actually. Yeah. I always do this to myself, whatever. Oh, actually, under eye setting powder is still the, like, it's suitable. Meteorites number 3 medium by Guerlain. Setting spray is Charlotte Tilbury's matte blurring smoothing whatever flawless setting spray. Lips are simply the Intimate tinted soft matte tinted lip balm and Intimate. I just wanted to keep the lips simple today because I need to buy some new gloss. And I don't know if I want to continue to get Pale Fire Nectar because I just looked on Douglas and it's in stock. But I also wouldn't mind getting maybe a lip gloss from, excuse me, NARS or Char or Fenty, because I don't want to overconsume and buying different things. I just want to get 1 or 2 lip glosses just to have a signature lip look for a lot of the looks I want to do moving forward. But yeah, tutorial 14. As usual, go to my Instagram to see the final edits, the talk ticking, the YouTube shorts. It's gonna be all over the place. But this is definitely a look. Oh yeah, I brought some of the Heartache on the bottom, blended it out. I did the Permagel eyeliner in Extreme Black from Pat McGrath on the bottom waterline. Should I do the whole thing black? No, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. I mean, look at. Ooh, like I really love this look, but it is. You know what this is? It looks like I did this in the crease, and it looks like I did either this or this in the outer, this in the inner, and it looks like I did this in the Cyrus. Yeah, it definitely looks like the Utopian Dream now that I did this. Anyways, I'll see you guys next video. I will see you guys next tutorial. Christmas is around the corner because I think after this I will be dropping my Perfection Complexion series, and after that will be Christmas of the Pat McGrath. Last one we passed of Pat McGrath Celestial Nirvana. And 2026 we will get right into so many tutorials because I actually started filming some already. And today is actually October. This is how early I do a lot of my videos, and I'm already going to start next week, no, actually the week after, because I need to take a break, of vamping, doing tutorials of blue eyeshadows, of green eyeshadows, of purple eyeshadows. Like, we're gonna dive into color, we're gonna dive into other palettes, because actually I think, yeah, I still have the Natasha Denona's Bronze, Sunrise, Love, and the, was it my Ideal palette, my Perfect palette or something like that I have not touched. And I was going through some stuff and I found the Cranberry palette. Is it considered a palette, the quad? Could you say a quad because there's 5? I completely forgot I had that. But also more complexion stuff next year for men. Simple complexion for women, for all y'all, for us, they, them. We will get into a lot. As usual, I hope you guys are enjoying these palette focuses. I do want to be a lot more consistent in 2026. I have already started doing that this year, and I'm quite proud of myself because this is very therapeutic for me to do, and the creativity and stuff. Oh yeah, I'm just now realizing I have Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Beautyverse that I'm still yet to dive into. See you guys next one.